Hello everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have our hands on the new BR1 Mini LTE UST PRM, hardware version 3. So let's get right into the unboxing. So once you open up the box, the first thing you're going to see is this handy quick start guide. It's going to tell you how to get into the UI and get this thing online. Then right over here to the right is going to be all your accessories. So first thing you're going to see is 4 antennas. 2 of them are Wi-Fi, and 2 of them are cellular. Next, you're going to have a 16-foot GPS antenna cable. And lastly, you're going to have the brand new DC power jack that has a 4-pin layout so that the device has built-in ignition sense, making it really easy to wire it into any vehicle. So now let's get into the router itself. As you can see physically, it hasn't really changed all that much. It is slightly longer at 5 inches, and it is slightly heavier at just under 1 pound. But other than that, nothing has really changed. There's only been major improvements. It still has all of the really cool benefits of Speed Fusion, like hot failover and WAN smoothing. Additionally, if you come over here on the interface, you can see there's 3 LAN ports, all gigabit Ethernet. There's 1 LAN/WAN port. And then if you look over here, there's actually 1 LAN port that provides PoE in. That means you can wire this in and move it to wherever you need. If there's better cell reception or if you need to extend the Wi-Fi range, it can be powered just off of this port. If you move over here, you can see the status lights and the power jack. Normally you're going to have your status light, your Wi-Fi, your cellular light, and your reset button right here. And then this is where you plug in the DC power. It has all of the pin out. As you can see here, it has your negative, positive, and then your ignition. Additionally, the router itself is a Cat4 modem, so that means it can have up to 150 megabits of cellular download and 50 megabits of cellular upload. The router itself can do 300 megabits of throughput and 80 megabits of unencrypted PEP VPN throughput. So now let's move on over to the back. You'll see a couple of changes. One of them being there's now 2 Wi-Fi antennas. This device now has Wi-Fi 5. Meaning that it will now transmit 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi bands, increasing your speeds and increasing your range. Then up here, you're going to see your cellular connections. There's 2, just like always, and then 1 GPS connector. The only other major difference on the back you're going to see is that they have now moved to Nano Sim size and not standard Sim. It is still in the exact same way. It's spring-loaded. You just have to push it in. Other than that, let's kind of get started and get everything hooked up. If you're going to use the GPS antenna, I kind of suggest doing it first just because it kind of gets in the way, and that's right here in the middle. And you just have to get it snug. You don't have to get a wrench or anything like that. And then I would suggest probably putting your Wi-Fi antennas on. Same deal, they just need to be hand tight and snug. And then lastly, there's your 2 cellular antennas. Again, it doesn't matter which one you put on as long as you put both of them on and you snug them down hand tight. And then lastly, all you're going to want to do is just plug it in. And with that, I've shown you all the major changes and improvements to the new BR1 Mini LTE. Thank you.